Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test. I enjoy these flight tests, especially these ones where you get everything that you need in the box to get flying. They're typically really good for people who just want to try flying radio control model aeroplane. So some of them, but not all these products are good. I'm really hoping this is a good one. I say that, but I am a little confused right from the start because contradicting information on this box. This says SU-27. This, ladies and gentlemen, is not an SU-27. It is a MiG-29. Now, most of my friends know I'm not great at scale aircraft recognition, but I do know that's a MiG-29. Why do I know? How do I know? Because I probably have the most successful MiG-29 video of all time on my YouTube channel. It's had over 30 million views. It's a game simulator type video, but it's had lots of views. But that aside, the people who market these products really should get their scale aircraft recognition correct. So MiG-29, but let's move on and let's unbox this. Let's see what we get. Okay, so I've pulled the foam carton out of the box. And already I can see that there's not much resemblance between what's in the box and what's on the outside of the box. So not only did the guy get it wrong, it's not an SU-27, but what's in the box doesn't look much like what's on the box. But we are at the toy end of the radio control model plane spectrum, I think. This is definitely at the toy end. So what I'll do, I will assemble it, which I think just means putting the vertical stabilizers in place, charge it up, and then we'll have a look and see how it behaves. So I've charged up the provided flight battery with the charger. Didn't take too long, and plugged it in, turned on the transmitter, which incidentally takes 6 AA's. No AA's left for anything else. So let's put the battery cover back in place. Like that. Now, the thing with this, there are no moving control surfaces, so I've got no idea how controllable this is going to be. Look, so, and left and right, it's is on the motors as well. No moving elevator, no moving ailerons, no moving rudder. So, this is going to be interesting. Let's take it out, let's see how it flies. Right, so we are down the flying field with the SU-27 MiG-29 SU-35. What was, I don't know what it is. I'll start again. Okay, so here we are with the SU-27. So as I showed, it does not now work.
I've turned it off.
Switched it off. Okay, so here we are down the flying field with the SU-35. Nice lights underneath. Okay, so here we go with the SU-35 MiG-29. Let's see how it goes. It's very hard to grip it actually.
You're not making an excuse for a failed takeoff, are you?
I am, before I get going. Actually, it's important to throw it with your favoured hand, which in my case is that side. Here we go. Into the wind. There is no wind. Well, I have to say, straight away, I wasn't expecting it to fly that well. It does actually fly, even though it doesn't have any moving control surfaces. That's quite impressive, actually. So it's about half throttle for level flight, and then to climb you go full throttle, obviously.
Almost a loop, Dom.
No, it's not. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Oh. Trying to give you a low pass here, Jason, for the camera.
Well, it looped.
It did loop. It did loop. So the propeller's popped off. No other damage, except it's turned itself off. Should we try again? Now, what I don't know, these are contra-rotating propellers, so I don't know. We might get lucky when we put them back on. But it flew, Jason.
It did. A lot better than some models we have that have control surfaces.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm actually reasonably surprised.
Right.
Turned it on. Yeah. It takes a minute. Leave it on flat ground, I think.
Like that? Sure. So the props do actually have markings on them for right and left. I didn't see that. Here we go again. See if it's survived that incident. Yeah. Jason, this is a kid's toy, yeah? But if they've never flown anything before, you know, if I was like 5 years old and I got this for Christmas, I wouldn't be disappointed. I think it was pretty good, actually. But I'm 50.
But it's still making you smile, though.
It's still making me smile, yeah, exactly. So it's not all bad. Just actually surprised how well it does fly, considering it's just two propellers.
What surprises me is it's not actually yawing when you turn. It is actually turning like it's got ailerons.
Yeah. It's yeah. Oh.
And it's not short of power, is it?
No, it'll climb.
Let's see a landing, Dom.
Oh, well, I might have turned a little late there. Graceful landing. Took one of the propellers off again.
I think we've proven it's tough.
Yeah, we have. It's a solid block of foam, really, isn't it, with two motors? So it's actually okay. It flies pretty well considering the limited control it has on two propellers. So the link for this is in the video description and in the pinned comment. Look it up for the price. You know, if you've got a young kid and they're looking for a toy that actually does fly quite well and is indestructible, then this could be the thing. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks for Jason for being so patient on camera.
No worries.
We'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.